Hello, wall coders. Welcome to another video today. We're gonna do another type of a safe sequence. So last time we learned the new line. If you remember, right click, run. It practically we can print out two separate lines on one print line. So again, hello, wall coders, /n. This is the day 3 video, which is this right here. Anyway, today we're gonna do a new one called tab, which usually is used on Word document to start a new paragraph if you ever wrote an essay before, which I'm assuming everyone did. You can either right click on the package first, let's do this, and refactor rename, or you can just click rename. I think they just added that in the new update, which is amazing. You don't have to go to refactor. Let's change the name of the package to this. It will also change it right here, as you can see, day 3 and day 4. Let's create a separation line between the 2 days. Perfect. And let's start a new line. Usually when you want to write a tab out on a paper or on Java, most people will probably do something like this. Hello, this is day 4. And actually let's use let's just keep doing this. And then if you wanted to tap out, most people are just gonna use the keyboard spacebar, I guess, and just do this tab out, right? And technically speaking, that's gonna do it. As you can see, it does it, technically speaking. However, that doesn't always work. There's a reason why the tab button works, especially even for Word documents. So instead of using this, we're gonna use the escape sequence for tab and Java, which is, it follows the same logic. It's just this, right? We're gonna write a statement. Hello, world coders. We're gonna print out a new print line statement. Oops, typing too quickly. And we're gonna do backspace. See, this is correct. Run. As you can see right here, even though we did tab out initially right here, it wasn't totally accurate. This is actually the correct tab out right here. As you can see, this creates the actual tab out. And please remember, I do know, like myself, I like keeping a space between the escape sequences because it's a little bit easier to read. You still don't want to leave a space after the T, because if you do that, it will cause a problem. You see, it created an extra space after the T. So everything that you type and between the two quotation mark in terms of space, it will also appear on your print statement. So if I put a space right here, you're going to see some space right here, obviously. So make sure to remember that. Again, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment. I'll do videos every Monday and Thursday. Yeah. Have a great day.